was I took it and we seasoned it with a little salt, a little bit of chili, and I grill it. And by grilling it, I'm searing that outside, imparting more flavor onto it, but also it can hold so it doesn't oxidize. That avocado is going to stay really fresh, really creamy and moist, and it's going to be a vessel. My whole goal with creating that first course is to really embrace the culinary history of crab louis. But I didn't want to focus on crab, I wanted to focus on shrimp louis. So when crab wasn't in season, the grass shrimp from the China camp area was then brought into the city, and that's where shrimp louis was created. Which again is these tiny little bay shrimp, okay, that have been lightly poached in court bouillon. They're mixed with a classic remoulade sauce. Remoulade being a little bit of aioli. We have a little bit of chopped cornichons, some capers, some lemon zest, tarragon, a little bit of parsley. It's all mixed together, and we're going to put that right in the avocado. And what's really fun about it is it's an unexpected way of actually having an avocado. So, grilled avocados are really good. I'm going to give it avocado ice cream. Do you know that's actually in the book of Escoffier, and it's like nothing new. That's like really, really old. Everybody thought it was new when it came out. It's old. Everything that's been done, unless it's Ferran Adria, has been done before. You cook a green vegetable, you blanch it, right? It's always in a salted water. What happens to the green vegetable? You take it and you put it in an ice water to maintain that color. We don't want the shrimp to overcook, so we're going to shock it. But what happens, you guys all live here, what happens in the middle of the summer? It's really hot, right? You guys go outside, you sweat, and then you do what? You go inside. What happens when you go inside? You shiver. Why? Because your body pulls. It pulls in all the moisture that's on the outside of your skin, and because it's touched that instant air, you're cold. So it sucks all that moisture back into you. It's the same thing with the vegetable or the shrimp. If I don't have salt in my ice water, I'm just pulling in bland. I'm not pulling in flavor. So by cooking our shrimp in the court bouillon and then chilling it in court bouillon, it pulls in flavor instead of just water and ice. Water's flavorless, right? So I'm trying to accentuate more of what the shrimp has to offer. So it's great. Is James making this for everybody back there? Okay. You know, one of the craziest parts of working on the food for the flight was figuring out plating, lemon-like characteristics that you get from straight lemon. So by adding this now, avocado shrimp louis. It's a really simple, delicious. You're getting a half an avocado on the plate. I mean, what do you guys pay for avocado toast? Grilled red onion, a little bit of oregano, the chicken thigh, piquillo pepper, and some roasted potatoes. So the key is to bring in those things right forward. I practiced that earlier, figuring out which one it was. Pretty top notch skills there. So what we do is we actually sear the chicken and we take it not all the way. We don't cook it 100% because I don't want it to be bone dry. Right? So when you get it, we're going to heat it and cook it through. So it's been brined, it's ready to go. Okay, so I'm going to have two pans here. One gets a little bit of olive oil. And one is going to get a little bit of chili oil. The chili oil is for searing chicken. And I want that oil is going to permeate through all the vegetables. So we have potatoes that are halfway. Okay, they've been cooked half. I don't want to cook them all the way because I don't want them to be pushy by the time you get them. I still want them to have some body, right? Love that sound. Okay, grilled onion petals. It's 3 potatoes. There are numbers and things. This is a very specific system. And then you guys know everything's done by the gram. So in working with these guys, I think they were kind of surprised that all the recipes showed up in grams, ready to go, because that's how I work in the restaurant. It makes it a lot more consistent, right? Cups are for drinking, not for measuring. I wish we could remember that here in the US, but we don't. Get olive drab. I'm going to add 3 garlic cloves. These are, as you notice, everything I'm putting in here is big flavor, right? You haven't seen me hit one thing of salt in here, right? I don't need to. The whole goal was by brining the bird, I've imparted flavor. I have olives that are going to get added, which are what? Natural salt. I have herbs, so I've added umami by charring or grilling the onion, right? I've roasted the potatoes in the same fat that the garlic's cooked in. So I'm layering flavor, building upon building blocks, steps to get to the final end. So I bloom out. I'm releasing all those oils naturally from the oregano. If I don't cook it now, it's going to turn black as it sits when it gets heated up. So I'm going to want my pepper. And I didn't want to add my olives too early because they get dried out. They leach out quite a bit of salt and they get dry and become salty and brittle. Olives. I love olives. Just do. Guys, this is James. He tolerates me. Mostly Tracy tolerates me.
You speak the truth.
So, as you can see, it's really vibrant and beautiful. And this is what was really fun, was figuring out how do you plate something that's so vibrant and beautiful and keep it vibrant and beautiful on the flight, right? So, what we have is piri-piri sauce. So our piri-piri sauce is really unique. It's a lot of ingredients to first scared everybody. But what we do is we take a mixture of 4 different chilies, dried and fresh, garlic, onion. We make our piri-piri sauce, a little bit of sherry vinegar. So I didn't want it to be classically for me. I pitch it hard with a lot of spice. So I had to come to a balance, right? Spicy enough, smoky enough, that way I'm not needing to add more salt and it's really going to bring the palate forward. So by adding vinegar, acid and herbs before salt, again, I'm layering and layering and layering flavor in here. I can smell sherry vinegar. You guys? What do you say? See if I can get any close to them. One layer. If you guys have ever been to watch them put together the plates, it's amazing. It's like everything is so deep. There's a photo at every station of what every dish is supposed to look like. They make them in rows with the photo right there to make it be exactly what you're looking for.
This is a test. See whether he remembers.
Test the emergency Chris Cosentino system.
We're testing you.
You're testing me? It's too late. I remember everything.
Good. Let's check in.
Now the key is all this liquid in the bottom is delicious. We just baste that over the top of the fish. And again, that's the oil from the roasted garlic and the peppers. So it mixed pickled pepper oil, roasted garlic oil. So you're having these layers of flavors on top of each other that build. So when you're eating this, you have a balanced meal. you're getting pops, big pops. Does anyone have any questions about food at 10,000 feet?